Hi, everybody. We are full. This is the year of the new face of the NBA. Ja! 2019-20 was the rookie year of Ja Morant, Zion Williamson, and Tyler Hero and others. Really good class. Right now, we're running a two-box, clearly Donruss NBA break. This is pick your team number 38. We are randoming Ja Morant, Brandon Clark, and the Grizzlies free to the break. Let's get you dice. Nine bird. 1, 2. Good luck. 7, 8. Ninth and final. The New York Knickerbockers. Discount double check. 9 dice. 9 randoms. Who's got the Knicks? J-Dog. I said J-Dog. J-Dog has the rights to the Grizz. All right, good luck, guys. Let's see a good break. This stuff can be really, really good. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's see a great break. Colin Sexton. Tybold, the super wing defender rookie. Carson Edwards. Donovan. Stargazing of AD. Cam Reddish. He's a Knick now, but he's good. Kendrick Nunn. All right. Auto in the first box is not good. Kai Bowman for the Warriors. It goes to Howdy Tune. Kato. You're late. I'm teasing. I'm teasing. Kind of. Devin Booker, purple. Windler. Waters. Mafondu. That's a gold border of Mafondu Kabengele. Ty Jerome, and he's resurgent. Bol. COVID Gobert. Triple J, Jaren Jackson. Clay, purple border. Talon Horton Tucker. That's a good one. Zion! Let's go! For Mango. It's the true. Ice tray. Ayton. Buckets gold border. Pascal. Alexander Walker. We like him for the Pelicans. Siakam. Chef Curry. Wait, what's that? Nick Claxton. That's a good one. He's good. First in the print to 49 red of Nicky Claxton for the Nets for Alex Barnes. There's another good one. KPJ for the Cavs. Before he was a Rocket, he was with the Cavs. Kobe White rookie for the Bulls and Ryan. Ja, the rookies. J-Dog gets a Ja. Nice card. So we get a Ja and a Zion in this break. Not bad. Nice break so far here. All right, and the last two hits are rookies. All right, Sekou for the Pistons on that filler kill. And for the Bulls, this guy is really, he's good for the Wizards. He plays for the Wizards now. Danny Gafford. It's not bad. That's the break. So that was a good 2 boxes for the price. That was a good 2 boxes. We'll recap it. Tybolt, Reddish, KPJ, Auto, Kobe White, Nick Claxton, the 49 red rookie, Ja Morant, the rookies, and a true Zion rookie. That's a good break. That is a good break. Guys, we've been running hot the last 2 days on this channel. All of our breaks have been good. Really, it's like one dud out of a lot. We'll see you for our next break. It's going to be Prism Hobby and Mosaic Hobby.